Guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to remove this data, these dates or these numbers from the URLs of your WordPress website for free into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics not choose international sites favor. So let's get this started. First thing, I recommend that you review this and do this when you are starting your site, because if you have many posts, this can create you a URL problem and SEO problem, and as a result, as soon as you do this, better for you. If your site have many posts and a lot of things like this, no problem, no worries. Okay, you're gonna make it to redirect plugin. We have tutorials explaining how to use redirect about it, but focus on this. Fix this issue as soon as possible. Imagine the following scenario. Your WordPress website have a simple URL. Some pages have the simple URLs, but when you are to blog posts, when you go to blog posts, there is the URL plus the date plus the post title. There is no needs for these dates. Okay, this is bad for a lot of ways, especially for SEO and long tall URLs. Okay, so how to remove this? First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus and scroll down and hover a mouse over settings. Once on settings, click into the submenu permalinks. This URL is happening because of the permalinks. Review right here. Common settings, permalink structure, day and name, month and name, numeric, post name, structure. So review this. Normally WordPress came on plain text or with day and name. So as you can see, here is one example. The best possible option, it's the one with post name, because you only gonna have the post name, no extra features like numbers, like dates, like years, or like days of week, or some randomic post title. This is terrible for SEO. The best possible option, the one that gonna fix the problem of dates onto your post structure, into the permalinks, into the URLs, into the post links, it's the post name option. So you're gonna move from this to this option right here. Scroll down just a little bit and hit the Save Change button. Simple, easy and fast. Of course, if you have only a couple of posts like me, this will make no problem for you. But if you have many posts, find a plugin to redirect the posts, okay? Because you're gonna change the URL. Do you remember the old URL of this post? If you go to this post now, the URL have changed. We have removed the date from this URL and have only the post title. Okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on wordpress.org. In addition, we for Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on wordpress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass. and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.